Good morning. Welcome. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of sirtuins and longevity genes. These molecular guardians play a pivotal role in determining how our cells age and respond to stress. Understanding their function brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of healthier, longer life. The sirtuins are a family of 7 proteins, aptly called SIRT1, SIRT1 through SIRT7. Each resides in a specific cellular compartment, the nucleus, the cytoplasm, or the mitochondria. Their diverse location enable them to influence various cellular processes from metabolism to stress response. SIRT1 or Sirtuin 1 is the master regulator because it oversees critical processes like DNA repair, inflammation reduction, and fat metabolism. By deacetylating specific proteins, SIRT1 ensures cell functions optimally, especially under stress. SIRT3, 4, and 5 resides in the mitochondria, the cell's powerhouse. They regulate energy production and safeguard against oxidative stress, ensuring cells remain resilient and efficient. Oxidative stress resulting from free radicals can damage cells and accelerate aging. Sirtuins, particularly SIRT3, combat this by activating antioxidant defenses, highlighting their role in promoting longevity. We can naturally activate sirtuins through lifestyle choices, intermittent fasting, regular physical activities, and diet rich in polyphenols found in foods like berries and nuts, which stimulate sirtuin activity, enhancing cellular health. Sirtuins depends on NAD+. It's a coenzyme that diminishes as we age. Maintaining NAD+ levels is crucial in optimal sirtuin function, supporting cellular resilience and longevity. To bolster NAD+ levels, supplements like nicotinamide mononucleotide or NMN and nicotinamide riboside NR have emerged. These compounds also present in food like milk and fish, show promise in supporting sirtuin activity and promoting healthy aging. The longevity field is abuzz with discussion on the efficacy of over-the-counter supplements versus pharmaceutical interventions. While supplements like NMN are readily available, their long-term benefits and safety are under rigorous scientific scrutiny. The quest to fully harness sirtuins for health span extension is ongoing. Researchers are diving deeper into understanding these proteins, aiming to develop interventions that safely and effectively promote longevity. While the science of sirtuins continues to evolve, we already possess tools to influence our cellular health. Through informed lifestyle choices, we can activate these longevity pathways, paving the way for healthier and more resilient futures.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.